Okay, let's check this Millermatic 211. The customer brought it in saying, oh, there's no wire feed and no output. Let's open it up and see if there's something burned or something to see right away. Normally it's the power part in the back of the machine, some MOSFETs, diodes. When they burn up, you really can see it, it's black arced out. But not with this one, it looks good so far. So I will just plug it in and see what happened. Okay, the unit powers up. Let me get my trigger switch, my self-made. It's just a micro switch with a 4-pin. Okay, it reacts to the trigger, the wire feed works. I can adjust the speed. So that looks okay so far. Let's see the customer's MIG gun. Maybe something is going on with his gun. Oh, the wire is burned back into the tip. Yeah, that thing's stuck. I have to take the tip off. Okay, connect just a trigger plug for now. And see if this MDX gun trigger works. And no, there is no reaction to this trigger. Have to check the MIG gun. So pretty much looks like something is going on with his MDX gun. Bad trigger, bad lead. Can be everything. Have to take apart the MIG gun. Check the leads for any damage on the insulation. The MIG gun opens up really easy. It's just one collar at the end and one screw. Okay, now you have access to the switch. Check for that everything is connected. If so, then yeah, you get your meter, set it for continuity test, for beeping, and check the wire, if the wire got continuity from the switch end to the trigger plug. Okay, it's beeping, the other pin, the other wire. Yep, got continuity. So the wire should be good. And now the switch itself, just put the 2 meter probes on the switch, on the 2 connections on the switch, and press it, and should beep too. And this one is sometimes beeping, sometimes not. Looks like an erratic switch. The switch assembly got a micro switch inside, and sometimes there goes dirt inside, dust, whatever. And depends on how the position of the switch is, or when you wiggle it or whatever. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. That's the worst errors you can have. And also check the lead assembly for broken wires. Sometimes also you bend the mic gun in one direction and all of a sudden there's connection, and you let go, then connection goes away. Could be a broken lead in the whole assembly. But checks out good so far. Wiggle the gun, wiggle the cable. If this is okay, then most likely it's the switch. Yeah, you bang on it, it turns on. You hit it again, then it turns off. So yeah, there's the micro switch is bad. Needs to be replaced. It turns on and off and on and off and on and off on its own. Must be dirt inside. It goes between the contacts, and then you got no connection anymore. Yeah, on off on off. That's an erratic micro switch. Needs to be replaced. They're easy to remove. It's just the 2 slide-on connectors. Double check the wire again, just to make sure there's really no broken lead. Just shorten out this end and the meter probes at the other end, and should stay on all the time. Yeah, so the wire's pretty much okay. It's the switch. Okay, put the new one in. Just slide on the 2 leads again. Pretty easy. Put the handle housings back together. Oh yeah, it's 3 screws, not 1 screw. Okay, so the wire feed problem is solved. Let's connect the power pin, put the unit on the load bank and see if we got output. But I think that trigger switch was the problem for wire feed and output. With a broken trigger, you also don't turn on the output. Just double check. See if we get the maximum. Yeah, trigger works. Okay, let's double check the rated output. Should be 150 amps, 21 volts at 40 or 60% duty cycle. Let's have a look at the label. Yeah, 40% duty cycle, 150 amps, 21 volts. So this unit should easily (23) 22 volts, 150 is even more, so perfect. Maximum output